0000398, the people versus Kimberly Melia.
Aaron Wagman on behalf of probation.
Good morning, I'm James Guzicki on behalf of the defendant. Your Honor, we've gone over the rights to a hearing. She wishes to waive those rights on her plea of guilty to charges, Your Honor, and speak to the court prior to the sentencing.
Right. Ms. Melia, are you alert and aware today? Are you sure? Okay. Do you understand the allegations against you? What are they?
That I dropped her and I didn't show up for testing, and she said I plagiarized my essay.
Okay. So you submitted a positive.
Right here, Judge Victoria Shackelford is laying out exactly what Kimberly's accused of: failing drug tests, plagiarism, and missed testing appointments. This isn't just a technical violation. This is a full breakdown of trust between the court and the defendant. What do you think? Should multiple probation violations mean automatic jail time, or does everyone deserve one more chance?
Drug test for fentanyl on 424, that you submitted plagiarized essay as the result of your sanction from a previous violation on 416, that you failed the drug test on 426, and you failed to submit a PBT on 426. Do you understand all those allegations?
Yes.
Okay. The influence of something now?
No, I'm just so depressed. I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Did you read this 2-page violation advice of rights form?
Yes.
Did you understand all of your rights?
Yes.
Did you sign and date the back of this form?
Yes.
Ma'am, you understand you have Mr. Guzicki here with you. You'd have a right to a contested violation hearing if you wanted one, where the evidence against you would be disclosed. You'd have the right to be present at the hearing, to present evidence, and to examine and cross-examine witnesses. The court would consider only evidence that is relevant to the alleged violation, but it need not apply to the rules of evidence except pertaining to privileges. And the prosecuting attorney would have the burden of proving by a preponderance of the evidence that those allegations occur. Do you understand all of that? And you understand if I find you violated your probation, or if you plead
for violations, that's huge. At this point, the judge isn't just deciding punishment, she's deciding credibility. When a defendant reaches this point, most judges see it as proof that probation failed. But notice how calm Judge Shackelford remains, firm, yet empathetic. That balance is what makes her courtroom so intense to watch.
Guilty or no contest to the violation, I could continue your probation, modify the conditions of your probation, extend the probation period, revoke probation, and impose a sentence of incarceration. Do you understand all of that?
Yes, I do.
How many violations does Ms. Melia have?
This is Ms. Melia's fourth.
Okay, so you could get the maximum jail time on this offense. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, to the allegation you tested positive for fentanyl on 424, how do you plead?
Guilty.
To the allegation that you submitted a plagiarized essay from a previous sanction that occurred on 4/16/24, how do you plead?
I Googled what it means to do drug testing and recovery, and I wrote some of that down, but I did add some of my own words, so I didn't completely understand that.
No, I'm not asking you that. I'm asking you, did you plagiarize the essay or not?
Yeah, I guess guilty.
I don't want you to guess. Did you plagiarize the essay or not?
Yes.
Did you fail to drug test on 426?
Yes.
Did you fail to submit to a PBT on 426?
Yes.
Okay. Is that a guilty plea then?
Yes.
And guilty to failing to drug test?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Melia, it's my understanding that you do not want to be part of the treatment court program any longer.
It's just too hard.
Well, I mean, yeah, it's hard. It is hard. Recovery is hard. And it's super hard when you're doing fentanyl. Like, right? She's doing 4 days in jail forthwith.
I can't go to rehab. I have a bed.
This is one of those heartbreaking moments. Kimberly admits she wants out of recovery. Judge Shackelford doesn't shame her, but she doesn't back down either. 4 days in jail might sound small, but symbolically, it's a reset. She's saying, you can stop now, or you can start over. Would you have given jail or another chance at rehab?
You're going 4 days jail. You're going to come back here on Friday when you're discharged from jail. And when you're released from jail, we can discuss what your treatment options are.
Put me in jail. I don't want to go to jail.
Okay, we'll see her back on Friday. Ms. Melia, you're to turn yourself into this court. Your sentence is 4 days in jail and report immediately to this court upon release.
My sponsor's in the car. Can someone call her and tell her?
Can we allow her to make a call so she can let her sponsor know? We'll let you make that call, Ms. Melia.
Yep.
So where do I attend on Friday?
You're gonna come to this court on Friday. 0643, the state of Michigan versus Antoine Carter.
James Kazicki, on behalf of Mr. Carter, after speaking with the prosecutor, we're going to set this matter for a settlement conference. Also like to address bond.
I have, he has a, what's the bond now? Oh,
60,000, 10%.
okay, so we'll set it with the settlement conference with the complaining witness to appear. As Mr. Gazicki has to bond.
Bond, I'd ask for a personal bond with a tether, Your Honor. He cannot raise the $6,000 to post a bond in this matter.
All right, well, he had one, like, conditions of bond for an assaultive case, and the condition was that he not have any contact with the complaining witness. I would note that the defendant has prior convictions for firearms. And he was actually arrested at the victim's house when the neighbors are alleged to have called the police because of a disturbance at the one place he wasn't allowed to be. So he does not comply with court orders. He made a decision. He knew he wasn't to be there. He went there, and I am not modifying bond. It's an assaultive case. He's got a prior weapons conviction, and he had one thing he couldn't do, and he did it. And I believe that he's a danger to the community. Thank you. We'll get a date as soon as possible.
Thank you.